Put you in the dark house, you knew that it was up.